And then we got his lift done, but this truck's on a 4-inch lift, so it's like this tall, but not. It's like this much short. It's like 2 inches shorter. It's like this much not gooder. And then I believe they put one of these in here, and it makes this speed right here go up to here, so we can read it for English and not these people that speak Kuma or whatever that says right there, you know. So there, we got that going for us.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is day 2 of Roman Atwood's Japanese mini truck. He has a Suzuki Carry DD51T with only 5,000 miles on it. It has like 9,200 kilometers. Super nice truck, very clean. I just got done with a buff and wax. The paint turned out absolutely amazing. We did the lift kit yesterday. It came in just a couple hours after the truck was dropped off, so we went ahead and slapped that on there. Got the wheels and tires put on it, and these are the 165/80 foursomes, 8-ply. So when he puts his fuel cell in the back, these tires won't hardly squat. They're going to give him a lot more off-road traction. These tires are really good for digging and getting you through the stuff. So this truck is a 5-speed manual transmission with the extra low forward gear, and it also has a front differential lock. So that's going to help him out a lot with being out on his property and his farm. But that's kind of the direction I feel he wanted to go with, is having something more functional out in the property and, you know, just be a good little farm truck for him. And also something that he can drive back and forth. That's why I opted with the foursomes, because he does put this thing on the road a little bit, and it'll give him a good DOT tire that'll handle higher speeds versus a ATV tire. And with these, they also set in, so he's not slinging mud and dirt all down the side. I think the next thing I'm going to be working on today is getting the windows tinted. Dad's inside. He's running wire right now for the light bars that we're going to be putting on this truck. So he's already got the stereo getting ready to mount. Everything's ready to mount in this truck. We've already got speakers in the doors, wires ran for everything. The stereo just needs wired up and mounted back into the dash, and that'll be done. So as of this moment, I can't think of much else. We are doing a Raptor bed liner. We're just going to a classic black bed liner in it. Be doing that probably early next week and get that done, so he can throw whatever he wants in here and not worrying about scratching paint and causing rust or anything like that. So that'll be really nice for him. Other than tinting windows, I've got the front alignment to do, bringing the towing back in, getting that stereo hooked up, like I said, and just waiting on a few other things to show up for it. And this thing will be back in action hopefully next week, late next week, I'm sure. So appreciate you guys being here, checking us out, and make sure to give Roman Atwood, if you're not subscribed to him, go check him out. And yeah, we're going to get this truck back to him, and hopefully he won't recognize it, and he'll have something that's a little more capable than what it was before. And that's it. So just check back in with us. We're going to be doing some more videos on process of doing this and some time lapses, and we got some before and after footage. So check us out later, and keep up on the process of this Roman Atwood truck, and we'll catch you later.
All right, what's up everybody? Me and JC forgot to end this video, so I'm ending it. I'm normally the cameraman, but today I'm Jace Today I'm Timu JC. I'm JC, but I know a lot less. So Timu JC, that works. So we're just gonna go over a real quick couple things that we've got done to the truck that you're gonna see in this video. We got a stereo in, but this is the Mitsubishi, so it's like this stereo, but not at all. It's way nicer than this stereo. This is a nice stereo, but it's not as nice as this stereo. We did get the windows tinted, and it is the same tint, so these look the same, so that's cool. That's all right then, I guess, huh? Couple other things we got done that you guys didn't see or haven't seen yet was we got his wheels and tires on, but it's these same tires, but not these wheels at all, so that makes sense to show you, I feel like. And then the bed liner is coming next. There's a train, of course, so I'm gonna have to scream. The bed liner is about to get done, but it actually looks like this, so I'm doing okay there, but it's black. It's not this gray color, but it's made by the same company, so that makes sense. It looks really good. And then he's got a back bumper, a heavy duty back bumper that this truck doesn't have, so you're not going to see it right here, but there's one right here on his truck, so that's all right. And then we got his lift done, but this truck's on a 4-inch lift, so it's like this tall, but not. It's like this much short. It's like 2 inches shorter. It's like this much not gooder. And then I believe they put one of these in here, and it makes this speed right here go up to here, so we can read it for English and not these people that speak Kuma or whatever that says right there, you know. So there, we got that going for us. And then they put these lights. Sorry, my hand was in the way. I'm a good cameraman too, I guess. Timu everything. Timu cameraman and JC, and I don't know why I'm waving at you. Anyway, and then they put these lights under them, these lamps under them that like do these change color things and stuff. So that's pretty cool, and we just needed to get an ending to that video. I think I left too early is why we didn't end it, but I'm gonna blame it on JC because then it's not my fault and I don't get in trouble. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys later.